Hello! In this video I will show you how to enable Google Assistant to work on lock screen on Honor View 20. So you have to start with opening your Google application, then click on your avatar, and now click on Settings. Now click on Google Assistant, and now click on Hey Google and Voice Match, and click here to enable Hey Google. Now click More, and I agree, More and I agree. Now click Next, and now click Not Now, and then click on Retrain Voice Match Model. Okay Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, remind me to water my plants every Monday. Now you can click Next, and then click Not Now. Now you can click Back, and click on Lock Screen, and then click Yes, I'm in, and make sure that this first option stays on. And now let's check if my Google Assistant will log on lock screen. Hey Google. And as you can see, my Google Assistant works on lock screen. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.